Polygons. A polygon is a plane figure that is formed by 3 or more segments called sides. That no two sides with a common endpoint are collinear, and each side intersects exactly 2 other sides, one at each point. Each endpoint of a side is called a vertex of the polygon. If there's more than one vertex that we're talking about, we call it a vertices. A polygon is convex if no line that contains the side of the polygon contains a point in the interior of the polygon. A polygon that is not convex is called non-convex or concave. A polygon is equilateral if all of its sides are congruent. A polygon is equal angular if all of its interior angles are congruent. A polygon is regular if it is equilateral or equal angular. The square that we talk about in flatland, is it equilateral?
Yeah.
Is it equal angular?
Yeah.
Is it regular?
Yep.
Yes, because if it's both of those, it would have to be regular. All of the shapes that we talked about in flatland, except the isosceles triangles or the irregulars, are regular. That's why they're called irregulars. Shh, please don't talk while I'm talking. I think I've mentioned it. Okay. A diagonal is a polygon is a segment that joins 2 non-consecutive vertices. Interior angles of a quadrilateral theorem. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? How many sides? 4. It's 360. Polygon exterior angle. The sum of the measures of exterior angles of a convex polygon. 1 angle at each vertex is 360. And I'm going to add one more to this so that you're able to do your homework tonight. Okay. N minus 2 times 180 degrees is the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon. We'll talk about that in a minute. When I'm talking about the exterior angles of polygon, it's like this. See how the shape looks kind of weird? It's these exterior angles. If we added them all up, they would be 360. Let's do the simple stuff first. All right. So as you can see, the first shape that we're talking about is a polygon. Even though it has that little interior niche, that's okay. It has 7 sides, so we call that a heptagon. I'm expecting you to know at least 1 through 10. Okay, if it's one side, it's a point, right? Right. Okay. If it's 3 sides, it's what? Triangle. 4 sides, a quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides is a hexagon. 7 sides is a heptagon. What's 8 sides, guys? 9 sides, listen to this one. Non-agon. And 10 sides is a decagon. Decagon. Okay. So before I show you the answer, do you think B on your worksheet is a polygon? Yes or no?
No.
Why?
Curved
side. Okay, what about the C?
Yes.
C. And how many sides does it have? It's a decagon because it has 10 sides. Okay, let's turn it over. Okay. Is A concave or convex?
Concave.
Concave. What about B?
Concave.
Convex, because nothing's caved in. C is?
Concave.
And D is? Convex. Yes. Do we get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For abbreviation, do EX. Draw an actual table.
If you are that lazy, David, sure. Okay, we're going to do 2 of these problems, and then I'm going to show you 2 more that are similar to your homework. 1, the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to be what? Turn your paper over if you don't know. 360. Right? A triangle is half a quadrilateral. A triangle is 180, so twice that much is 360. Okay, if we want to figure out what x is, we simply do 90 plus 93 plus 87 plus x equals 360, and x is 90. Okay. For example, this one we would do 2x plus 2x plus 3x plus 3x equals 360. 2, 4 plus 6 gives us 10x. X equals 36. How would I figure out what each of the angles were? What would I do? You simply plug them back into each of these. All right, last two problems. Okay. So, how big, it's gone. How big is each angle of a pentagon, and how would you figure out? First, I want you to tell me what the sum, if you add it all together, what the interior angles of a pentagon add up to, and then I want you to tell me what each one is. Which formula would I use? I wrote one on the board. This is important. This is on your homework. N minus 2 times 180. How many sides does a pentagon have? So where do you think I'll put the 5? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 is 540. That is the total. So if we have a pentagon, if you added up all the sides, they would be 540. But I want to know just one. How would I find one? Divide by 5. Angles. That's my short and lazy version of everything. Okay, we get one more. You ready? Then we're done. How would I find out what x is? Okay, look on the front of your paper again. Are these internal or external angles?
External.
External angles of any polygon add up to be? It says right on the front. 360. Oh, this picture? Yes. In my head. Can we solve for x? You guys can figure that out? Feel good about this?
Yeah.
Your homework is just like this.